Oh wow, it's a really good size one. This is probably a 4 or 5 pounder at least. Gracious. Welcome to Fishing Eastern North Carolina. I'm at a new pond today. It's at a complex, so it is, I've never seen anybody fish out here before, so I came out here the other day and was able to catch a couple of fish within an hour, so I'm back with a camera today, see if we can do the same thing. I have on a brush hog on a jig. It's a shaky head jig, so we'll see if this can produce some fish. When I first found this pond, I thought it was built when the facility was built, which is like 5 years ago, so I've never really thought about fishing out here, but then I found out, I was looking at some old maps and found out that this pond has been here. I was here in the 50s, so hoping that means there's some big fish in here. But there's a couple of things I really like about it. The one, you can see here, there's a crayfish little hole there, so I really feel like they're feeding on crayfish, so I try to do things that mimic what a crayfish would look like. I need to go buy some more actual crayfish though. And then the other thing is this, there are pipes that feed in from other ponds, and we'll fish this one here. There are a lot of pipes that feed in from other ponds, and a lot of times after the rain especially, they'll be hanging around these pipes. There's a fish there. It's a good size one. Oh wow, it's a really good size one. This is probably a 4 or 5 pounder at least, maybe even bigger than that. Wow, it's definitely our biggest fish this year. Definitely the biggest bass I've caught this year by a lot. This is probably every bit of 5, maybe 6 pounds, right on that drain. And once again, these hooks are just phenomenal. I mean, that is a monster of a fish. So I got my scale. Fishing these drains right here have been very successful in this pond. I haven't got anything this big, but it's been pretty good. Whew. This is an absolute beast for down here. All right, let's zero the scale out. Let's see. 6 pounds, 2 ounces. Well, 6'2" to 6'4". That's zeroed on 3 now. 6 pounds, 3 ounces. It's an absolute monster of a fish. Alright, let's get this guy back. Trying to video that release, but I don't think that went that well. It's a little bit of a ledge. So, all right, off to a good start here. All right, that beats my best this summer, so I'm pretty excited about that. Sitting right on this pipe, I'm gonna try it again right here. So there's another pipe that's right here beside it, and then there's two more over here, and then there's the big pipe there, and then it feeds from another older pond there, and then there's a pipe on this. There's a fish, a little bitty guy. Just a little one. I think there's going to be a lot of fish right in here. This seems to be like there's just a ton of rocks, and I think they're eating, looks like they're probably eating on, well, I have to get the pliers for this one. Looks like they're eating crayfish, crawfish, depending on where you're from. This is a nice one, right in that pipe. Wasn't even really paying attention and saw the line go out.